Okay, this one I'm actually really excited about. I just tested it before I made the video, and I got to say it was actually really impressive, just the power of the calculator, and if you know just a little bit about how to work yourself out of a box. So Algebra 1, January 2019, 32. Solve the quadratic equation for the exact values of x. So now I'm looking at this and things I noticed about the question. Nowhere does it say algebraically. So you can just pound this out in the calculator. And I have notes if you have a question about this or the validity. Yes, you can do this in the regions. Yes, this is available in test mode. Yes, you can give full credit for this if they use the calculator. And again, if you need documentation of that, just send me an email at joeperlman@gmail.com and I can get that over to you. But exact value, that's the next thing that bothers us. That means we want it in a radical. But now if I look at that a little further, it doesn't say in simplest radical form. You can just do it as a radical. So you could polytools this. My issue here is I just feel like a student is not going to realize or might forget that the b value is 0. So I'm just going to straight end solve this. So we go into a calculator page. As we always do, we go menu, algebra. Again, I have the cache. You do not have all these options. You just have numerical solve, systems of equations, and polynomial tools. So we're going to go to numerical solve. We're going to type in the equation 4x squared minus 5 equals 75. And if you've seen other videos, you know that I like to say, first of all, you have to do comma x, because you have to tell the calculator what you're solving for. But I like to say x equals 5. And I get 4.475. Now, why do I do equals 5? Well, because I also do negative 5. So that if there are more than one answer, you get both. And kids say, why 5? Doesn't matter. Just pick something. 10. It really doesn't matter. I've just had more success with 5s. But now we get back to the essence of the question. It says in exact value. So I'm going to take this, and I think about it. Where did I get the 4.47, etc.? That was from square rooting. So how do I undo square rooting? If I just square this, this tells me I get radical 20. So the solution here would be plus and minus radical 20. And now you've solved it. No need for algebraically in an exact value.